What if I told you that scientists have just recreated the first moments of our universe? This isn't science fiction, it's real, and it's happening right now. Deep underground, scientists use the world's most powerful machine, the Large Hadron Collider. Here, heavy atoms are smashed together at nearly the speed of light. These crashes are so intense that protons and neutrons melt apart, releasing their inner particles, quarks, and gluons. For a tiny moment, matter turns into something called quark gluon plasma, or simply quark soup. Scientists once thought these particles would fly away randomly, but something surprising happened. The particles started moving together like a flowing liquid. New experiments now show how this quark soup expands outward in all directions. This expansion, called radial flow, is driven by extreme pressure, just like air rushing out of a balloon. This proves that even after being freed, quarks and gluons still strongly interact with each other. By studying this strange flow, scientists are learning how our universe grew just after the Big Bang. In the smallest particles, we are discovering the biggest secrets of our universe.